म्यूजिक इज जस्ट लाइक अ वाटर, मतलब डुबकी मारो तैर जाओ, जैसे तैरना है वो चीज़। तो जब मैं सर को सुनता था तो जब तुम साथ हो आया गाना, अगर तुम साथ हो, वो एक ऐसा गाना है जिसमें 1% मतलब दैट्स द परफेक्ट सॉन्ग, परफेक्ट फ्रॉम स्टार्ट टू एंड। और मैं इतना माइंड ब्लोन हो गया कि मैंने 20-25 फॉर्मेशन अलग अलग सोची होगी कि अगर इसकी जगह वर्स ऐसे आता या कुछ ऐसे आता, कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं था जो वहां पर फिट हो सकता था। इट वॉज जस्ट अ परफेक्ट मास्टरपीस। और मैं एक सर से एक चीज और इंस्पायर हूँ जो मैं इस साल खुद कर रहा हूँ, मैं 2-2.5 मिनट के गाने नहीं बनाना चाहता। आई वॉन्ट टू मेक म्यूजिक, नॉट कंटेंट। आई वॉन्ट टू मेक म्यूजिक। सो आई एम सो इंस्पायर्ड बाय सर कि जब म्यूजिक फ्लो हो रहा हो, जितना भी जा रहा हो ना, नो मैटर व्हाट, वो 5.5 मिनट का 6 मिनट का अच्छा म्यूजिक होता है। आई डोंट वांट टू मेक बिग सॉन्ग्स, स्मॉल सॉन्ग्स, आई जस्ट वांट टू मेक गुड सॉन्ग्स। दैट्स ऑल आई हैव लर्नड फ्रॉम सर। Thank you, sir.
I'm going to wrap up this panel discussion with asking each of you to give me one adjective to describe what you think you should want to expect from Nexa Season 3, Nexa Music Season 3. Sir, should we start with you? One adjective to describe what you expect from Nexa Music Season 3.
Develop more talent people.
Correct. Great.
Creativity at its best.
One super duper hit.
Oh, look at you with the views.
No
The KPIs coming again.
Different sounds.
Nice. Sir?
I heard Michael Jackson's favorite word was wonderment. So I was speaking to Kenny Ortega, who said this was his favorite word, and he said it should be wonderment. Wonderment. Like all of them coming together and shining and bring something new. It was
Lovely. Raja?
I want to see someone be fearless and really take a risk and really go for it.
Nice.
probably authenticity.
Nice. Jane?
I feel like something unheard, but amalgamation of so many sounds under this one perfect spotlight. This is what I feel.
Fantastic. Give it up for an amazing panel, guys. Let's do a lovely photo op. And King Arjun, Raja, you're supposed to your sunglasses. I'll take it later. Okay, no problem. Sure. James and Priyanka, can we have you guys join us on stage, please?
50 बार लाइट चेंज कर दी आ रहा है तो धुआं मार के Oh my God.
Rahul sir, we need you on stage.
Abhimanyu.
Abhimanyu, Rahul, can you guys please come on stage?
Please, sir. Abhimanyu.
ए मांजरेकर
Rahul sir,
मांजरेकर महाराने सरक ना
we need you.
काय टाकलाय तो दिवा
Abhi, please tell me which song you played for him once after.
बसून गे रे बाळा ते मारणा बसून अरे मांजरेकर तुझा आंध्रेकर
Guys, you want solos first or you want group first? Group.
जाऊ आगे मांजरेकर झाला काय बाहेर काय लवकर रे जरा कर
Sir. Could we request you to stay back for the media interaction?
बंद करायला मीडिया
What is the big objective behind this IP? Where does this go from here? Is there a plan to start a countdown show? And Ramansa Raja, do you also pick up slang when you record songs in vernacular languages?
I think I shared earlier also. The basic objective of Nexa Music is to connect with our customers actually, the brand enhancement which happens. Because Nexa we feel is to create. So the creation, nothing can be better than the music actually. And just to share with you, the index of creativity which is connected with the music is going up tremendously. Right now that index is close to 55% actually. And we feel in times to come, the Indian customers, the one thing with the affinity really works is the music actually. And sitting next to me, he is the guru how to connect with the Indian customers. And coming to the regional part of it actually which you said, I think it's a wonderful move actually which is going to give us very good dividends. So let us hear it from Rahman sir actually.
You talked about each language has a nuance and India is such a rich country culturally. And this is probably a great opportunity to bring everybody together through the sounds, the words, thoughts, and also bringing forward those musicians who are extraordinary, who never got a chance before. Because everybody takes away that, especially movie people take away the language like me. I think it's important to bring them. Actually, both ways. They're giving us a chance to show.
Guys, I think the question was for you guys as well.
What was the question?
What
Sorry,
was the
recall.
larger objective of Nexa Music as an IP?
You guys want to go first?
As the headliners for this season, you guys want to chime in?
I think the thing that's really exciting to me as an English artist in India, it's always been like notoriously difficult to break through. What Nexa's created in the last 2 seasons is this platform, but this season I think it's reflecting kind of what's happening in independent music, which is there's so many vernacular languages. There's Telugu hip hop, Tamil hip hop, there's Telugu singer-songwriters, and I think what's going to happen this season is going to be more representative of us as a whole. And I'm excited to hear more things from the South and kind of lean into that. So that's what I'm hoping to see.
King, yeah, they want to hear from you and Arjun also. Please speak.
She just said everything like.
नहीं, Arkan, not allowed today.
I mean, मेरे को तो पर्सनली जो भी जगह अनहर्ड लोगों को दिखाती है उनके लिए स्पॉटलाइट क्रिएट करती है और मौका देती है मेरे लिए वो हर जगह बहुत ज़रूरी है फ्रॉम लाइक मैम मेरी जज रही हैं ऑलरेडी तो मैं इंट्रोड्यूस ही वहाँ से हुआ तो मुझे पता है कि ये चीज़ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है अगर मिलती है तो बहुत अच्छे से संभाल के रखनी चाहिए उस तरीके से एंड ऑल्सो जितनी डाइवर्सिटी है जिस तरह से इनफैक्ट हिप हॉप जिस तरह से ग्रो कर रहा है मैम ने भी कहा एंड डिफरेंट साउंड्स जैसे ग्रो कर रहे हैं क्योंकि नॉन फिल्म की बात कर लेते हैं लिसनर्स अब बहुत ऐसे हुए हैं कि उनको कुछ नया भी सुनना है और वो खुद जाके हर इंसान के पास यहाँ पर कोई ऐसा आर्टिस्ट होगा जो अनहर्ड होगा और वो अपने ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स में फ्लेक्स करता है या दिखाता है कि यार देख मेरे पास एक अनहर्ड आर्टिस्ट है और अपनी बेट लगाते हैं कि ये बड़ा होगा तो आई थिंक ऐसे आर्टिस्टों के लिए बहुत अच्छा खुश है ये वो बहुत जगह है जो बहुत लोगों से कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं एंड आई थिंक मेरे साथ हुआ तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि किसी के भी साथ हो सकता है तो इसलिए मतलब दिस प्लेस इज रियली इम्पोर्टेंट
अरे सर didn't see you.
आइए
सर आइए सर सर आपके लिए ये सीट रखी हुई थी हमने सवाल जवाब चल रहा है बस. Arjun, you wanted to add first?
I think these guys said everything that needed to be said. I just had a few more things that I would like to add. Firstly, it's such an honor to be on stage, sitting next to Rahman sir, next to these amazing artists. My God, look at them. And I think that the music industry is changing like never before, right? So when I started making music, about 17 years it's been now, there was only film music, and now in the last 7 years or so, it's completely changed. I was the first artist to ever be featured on Apple Music or iTunes in India. I was the first ever person, right? So back in 2015 when I launched my first non-film song, it was like I was begging people to hear it. I was like, please listen to my music, please. You know, it was like go to radio stations and beg people to listen. And I think back then the statistic was something like 2% non-film, 98% film, right? Now it's about 50-50. So much has changed, and I think properties like Nexa are pretty much, Nexa Music, sorry, it's pretty much like kind of, it's just adding to the culture, you know? It's adding that platform for unknown musicians to come and show what they have to the world. It's not even like, now it's not even like, okay, just India, it's like the whole world. I started a music label about 2-3 years ago, and I mean, I'm doing music from all over the world now. I go to Japan very often, and we have a label there. You know, it's just the world is becoming so small, and companies like Nexa are just giving us that platform to reach more people and change, you know, give more, how do you say, more opportunity to guys who've never heard. I think King said the right thing, and it's funny because King was one of the first artists on my label. Yeah, we did a song together in the lockdown, and
We all know collab, guys.
yeah, we collaborated for one of my first songs on the label. So, in that time, I think I told people, I was like, this guy's gonna be superstar, right? So I think it is all about the unheard artist, and it is all about you know, the future of music and taking that one more step towards giving the smaller artists a chance.
Fantastic. सर, आपने अभी हमको स्टेज पर ज्वाइन किया है, जो उभरते दुनिया में, उनके लिए अगर आपको 2 विशेष टिप्पणी देनी हो तो कुछ भी उनके लिए कोई एडवाइस? जो यंग टैलेंटेड म्यूजिशियंस आ रहे हैं इस इंडस्ट्री में, उनके लिए अगर आपको कोई टिप देना हो तो?
जी, सब बैठे तो आई थिंक बेटर तो सारी के बारे में क्या करना चाहिए, बट स्टिल यू नो, जिस कम्युनिटी से मैं आता हूँ, बिलोंग फ्रॉम आमिनिया कम्युनिटी, who's carrying living, loving music since more than 15-16 generations, 12th century से हम गाते आ रहे हैं, and हम लोग म्यूज़िक अपने परिवार में ही सीखते हैं, तो ये उसका आंसर है एक्चुअली। और बस यही है कि अपने जो म्यूज़िक है ईमानदारी से करो, सच्चा म्यूज़िक करो, डोंट फॉरगेट योर रूट्स को यू शुड नॉट फॉरगेट, बिकॉज रूट्स का मतलब जड़ जोड़ती है, तोड़ती नहीं है, you know, and fusion करना तो do fusion but don't do confusion. And I have done Lal Pili, Ankia 2018. I have done fusion. मैंने उसमें स्पेनिश म्यूजिक को थोड़ा सा दिखाया और सुनाया, तो वो फोक गाना था और इतना पॉपुलर गाना हो गया कि उसमें मैंने आटे में नमक जैसा काम किया, जो क्योंकि अगर नमक नहीं डालेंगे तो रोटी फीकी लगेगी, तो उस हिसाब से बस यही, डोंट फॉरगेट योर रूट्स के साथ कायम रखिए, क्योंकि संगीत एक ऐसी खोज है जो ना खत्म होने वाली खोज है। जहाँ से स्टार्ट करोगे वहीं से स्टार्ट होगे, जहाँ से फिनिश करोगे वहाँ से स्टार्ट हो जाती है।
वाह, क्या बात है। Members of the press, any more questions?
Hi.
Hi. Do you see the gentleman back there?
Yeah, my question is, how is this partnership helping Maruti in terms of brand recall or brand affinity? Because this is your 3rd season, so I expect it to be a successful partnership. And also, with this collaboration, do you see some co-branded development happening? Maybe Mr. Rahman could possibly lend his name and expertise in Nexa cars. Is that something in the pipeline?
I think very good suggestion, I would say. I never thought of it. So just now I was talking to Rahman Saab that maybe we can further see to it how we can further leverage and strengthen this relationship between Rahman Saab and the Nexa brand actually. But let me share with you one thing. This music part of it, we have got more than 13,000 followers on the Instagram for the Nexa Music. That's a huge thing. And more than 36 million their followers. So the Nexa Music is playing a very important role in our brand building actually. But yes, we can further think of, your suggestion is very important, we can further see to it how we can make it.
So possibly a Rahman signature edition in Nexa brand?
Yeah. I think you have got very beautiful ideas, so I will be taking these inputs over the train.
Do you want to join marketing team so I can set up a meeting?
They want,
I have an
I
inside.
think they want you to join them.
Either of you is fine.
Maybe the
That's a-
voice, the
That's a good
navigation.
suggestion actually.
The navigation voice, maybe Rahman sir.
Like the
I could also join sir. We all have inside.
Nobody would hear it. You need Rajakumari's voice.
Any more questions?
Yeah.
Guys, someone get them to sing. Anyone?
So why you troubling us?
Someone get them to sing. Then
If I may take one small liberty of asking another question directed towards Mr. Rahman. This season 3 you spoke about finding regional talent. Globally, if I look at chartbusters and when I talk to people from abroad, more when it comes to Indian music, either they are it's form of classical, Hindi, or Punjabi to some extent. You talk about Marathi music, you talk about Tamil, Telugu. We have got a huge genre of music that has not been explored and to the potential for the global markets. So what do you think can be done? Because recently Grammys, when you won the Grammy for Jai Ho, there was a new kind of follower base.
I think the human mind works with empowerment. The moment, I think in our country we have so many different complexes. I don't want to mention all this stuff. But if the human mind is empowered and they know, I think that's why winning those Grammys and Oscars is not just for me. When I won the Grammy, I said, in 10 years, all the Indian musicians are going to win that, and it's becoming true. Last year, I think there were like almost 6-7 Grammys won by Indian artists. And the mind opener, our limitation is just a mind. When we think that we are small, if we manifest that this is the best song in the world and the world is going to listen to it, they will listen to it. If you don't have it while creating it, you can't do it. So I think this should be that. This should be that every language is important and they can shine, anywhere. And I think that's what I've discovered in the past 10 years. If you empower a mind, they can do anything. Never underestimate a single person, single artist.
Any more questions? Please.
Not from the media, I just again said, but this is a dream come true for me. I'm sitting in front of A.R. Rahman. Never thought of it would happen, never in my life. But so I think the Rosa song came in when I was born, I'll tell you. And then I think 2-3 years later, when I started understanding music, I've been hearing your music. Dil Se, Rosa, and then so on, and so on, and so forth. Till date, I listen. Dil Se whenever I get low. So mainly this question was, when you listen to a new music, how do you dissect it? And what is the first thought which comes into your mind? What you're trying to listen to? The acoustics or the bass lines or all those things. I'm not a musician, but yeah, I just love, I breathe music. But yeah, that's why I'm asking, and one request, if you can sing this.
I can't sing anything.
Okay,
Actually. So the idea of art is not to dissect it, to take it fully. And even with the flaws, even with the you don't know, I should have put autotune here. It's not like that. The emotional impact which it creates with the lyric and the tune, and even if you don't understand the lyric. And that's what I feel like. I switch off from my interrogation mode and just listen to music as a music. Not, this voice is good, this could have been better. No, I think it's made. Give respect to the creator and listen to it.
Excuse me. I just have a story. It's not a question actually, but a story about A.R. Rahman and cars.
Wait one second, let me introduce you. The wonderful Clinton Sereo, guys.
So I had the good fortune of judging a show that we did call Arrived on YouTube, and Pooja's there. Pooja was part of Arrived, and so the first day of shoot gets over, and each of the three judges, me, Shan, etc., we just get into our, the cars that these guys arranged were all 7 Series Beamers, okay? And we just get into our cars, and I was actually just waiting for AR sir to come out, and he comes out, and he gets into this small little Tata Nano, okay? So I was like, why am I getting into a 7 Series and why is sir getting into a Nano? So I went to him and I said, I just said, nice car, just as a, he said, this is a Bentley, man, it's all in your mind.
Okay, to be more clear about it, I have a studio 2 streets next to my house, the bigger studio. So I wanted a very small car to park.
Yeah, it's amazing. And it almost made me feel really bad that I was getting into this huge car, but I was getting into this. Yeah, so that's AR for you.
Thank you so much. Thanks for sharing that. Okay guys, before we ask our esteemed guests to leave the stage, we have a little sneak peek of what's coming up this season. Guys, please turn your attentions to the AV behind our guests.
Next Up Music Season 3, the hunt is open now.
Last thing guys, can I request all of you to please come to the center one last time for our photographers. Sir, please. Sorry. Last. Let's all balance. Mr. Nobuta, sir, please. Where's Sagar? Where's Abhi? Abhimanyu, come fast without your jacket, it's okay. There he is.
Season 3.